Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is introduction of pharmacovigilance. Now, pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other possible drug-related problems. Now, spontaneous reporting of adverse events and adverse drug reaction is the common method utilized for generating safety data. Now, early detection of hitherto and unknown adverse reactions and interactions. Now, the pharmacovigilance is identification of risk factors and possible mechanisms underlying adverse reaction is the role of pharmacovigilance. Now, estimation of quantitative aspects of benefits, risk analysis, and dissemination of information needed to improve drug prescribing and regulation. Safety of patients is the most important when it comes about medicines. Various types of medicines are used since ancient ages, and various rules and regulations were formed in a modern era. If you look back in early 20th century, the safety of patient was discussed first time when Biologics Control Act 19002 was passed by USA. After that is 19062, USA promulgated a law stating that it's the manufacturer's responsibility to prove safety and efficacy of the drug before getting marketing authorization, the FDA. In 1963, a committee on safety of drug was established in United Kingdom. In 1964, a system of yellow cards was established in UK to trace reporting safety of drug by all users of drugs. By 1964 and 1965, National Adverse Drug Reaction Reporting System was initiated in countries like UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, West Germany, and Sweden. These countries established. Now, in 1962, International Center for Monitoring of Adverse Drug Reactions by WHO, World Health Organization, was established in Geneva, which was later shifted to Uppsala in Sweden, and this is the beginning of pharmacovigilance. From when the WHO supported Uppsala monitoring centers has spearheaded many activities of pharmacovigilance all over the world. Pharmacovigilance is a branch of pharmacoepidemiology but is restricted to the study on the epidemiological scale of drug event or adverse reaction. Here, events means recorded happening during a period of drug monitoring in the patient's notes. It may be due to the disease for which the drug is being some other intercurrent disease or infections, an adverse reaction to the drug being monitored, or the activity of a drug being given concomitantly. Spontaneous adverse drug reaction reporting is healthcare professionals are provided with forms upon which they can notify authority of any suspected ADRs that they detect. The form is filled by healthcare professionals with direct interaction to patient after knowing the required information directly from patients. This even the consumers can directly report with the help of the form in healthcare professionals. This system remains helpful to obtain the safety information of drug throughout the life cycle of the drug or the length of stay of the drug in the market. Spontaneous reporting has led to the identification and verification of many unexpected and serious adverse drug reaction. This is the introduction of the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.